Okurwanisa abayekyaba Allied Democratic Republic of Congo nkukatandikawo hagati ya Uganda obwo eri kukozesa amahiga Uganda People's Defense Force hamwe n'aga Democratic Republic of Congo aga FARD gona agarukorra hansi ya Operation Shujaa obwo gagenderire kumara abayekyero mu ihanga lya Congo.
Most of you may ask yourselves, why are we handing over Congolese rescued from Congo territory? It's because of the challenge that we encounter in Operation Shujaa. You find some areas are not accessible in these jungles. So when we are dealing with ADF, then we rescue these innocent Congolese. We use air transport to rescue them from the jungle. That's how they end up in Uganda.
Imetufundisha vitu vingi vya kutusaidia katika maisha. Ile yenye tukukua tunajua, tumeyajua, tumesoma kujifunza kukanika pikipiki, tumefunza kushona nguo, tumejifunza kufanya sabuni, tumejifunza kutengeneza viatu,
kukanika amasimu, motoka, pichipichi, kutunga baize bintu bingi. So walero bajibo bawereddwayo babuyinza Congo basobola kubanga babateeka mu community zaabwe gye bava.
Kano Chibi Cheben niwe yabaje iri ihanga lya Congo kandi yasimye cyakorwa.
Fanya operation umoja ile Shujaa iendelee kwa umoja na tutambue ya kwamba adui wa Uganda ni adui wa Congo. Na adui kama ni adui wa Congo, Waganda nao watambue ni adui wa Congo, wa Uganda. Kumbe tuungane tena mkono kwa mkono ili tuendeleshe operation yetu ili maadui wasije wakatatize tena wananchi wetu.
Abishangure cha Bridgeway cyabahereza mfaraso n'ibindi byo kukozesa. Gasho kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.